How to backup your data on Android. This tutorial shows you how to safely backup all of your important data on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. From there, tap on Backup Data to open the backup options. At this point, you'll see available backup accounts on your device. This could be Google Drive, Samsung account, or any other brand account depending on your device. In the next step, select whichever backup account is available on your device and sign in if prompted. Following this, once your account is selected, you'll see a list of data categories that can be backed up, such as contacts, apps, settings, and more. Once done, make sure all the important categories are toggled on before starting the backup. From here, tap on Backup Now to start the backup process. At this stage, wait for the backup to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. Finally, once the backup is done, you'll see a confirmation showing the date and time of your last successful backup. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you back up your data, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.